Welcome to Elite Service Masters. Today, we're going to talk about something that every homeowner dreams of: transforming those empty, unused spaces into your very own dream home. Whether it's that awkward corner in your living room, a forgotten basement, or a spare room you just don't know what to do with, 2024 is all about maximizing your living space and making every square foot work for you. Now, we all know that home design trends are constantly changing, and the focus this year is on smart functionality combined with personal style. It's no longer just about filling up space. It's about making your home a reflection of who you are while also serving your day-to-day needs. But where do you even start? That's what we're here to help with. Let's begin by talking about one of the hottest trends this year: multifunctional spaces. In 2024, more and more people are looking for ways to make rooms serve multiple purposes. Take that spare guest room, for example. Instead of letting it sit empty most of the year, you can easily turn it into a dual-purpose home office and guest bedroom. A fold-out wall bed or a stylish sleeper sofa can save space, while sleek office furniture keeps things functional yet cozy. Suddenly, you've got a room that works for you all year round. And what about that dusty basement or unused attic? These areas are pure gold when it comes to potential. With the right design elements, they can be transformed into anything from a media room to a personal gym, or even a tranquil reading nook. Think about adding recessed lighting, bright paint colors, and modular furniture to bring these spaces to life. Basements especially are perfect for creating a getaway within your home, your own little private retreat. But what if you're not looking to overhaul an entire room? Maybe you just want to spruce up a corner or nook. That's where the magic of built-in shelving, floating desks, or even a chic bar cart can come in. These small changes can make a huge impact by turning awkward spaces into functional, stylish areas that add both value and comfort to your home. Now let's talk about personal style. One of the best parts of transforming an unused space is that you get to put your stamp on it. Whether you love sleek, modern minimalism or cozy, rustic vibes, 2024 is all about infusing your personality into your home. One great way to do this is through statement pieces like bold furniture or eye-catching artwork. But remember, balance is key. Too much clutter can make a small space feel cramped, so go for pieces that make a statement without overwhelming the room. Feeling inspired yet? Well, we're just getting started. Now, let's dive into some of the amazing transformations we've seen this year. Imagine walking into a cramped, cluttered space that feels like it's got no hope. And then, bam! After a few clever design tweaks, it's a bright, open room that feels twice its original size. One of our favorite examples is a small urban apartment that used to feel dark and claustrophobic. By incorporating mirrors, adding light-colored furniture, and maximizing vertical storage space, the room was completely transformed into a stylish, open-plan living area. Another trend to keep an eye on is the use of natural materials. Bringing in elements like wood, stone, and plants not only adds warmth and texture, but also creates a sense of connection to the outdoors, which can make even the smallest spaces feel larger and more inviting. Imagine a small balcony or patio area. With just a few wooden planters, comfy seating, and some hanging string lights, it can easily become your go-to spot for relaxation. If you're a DIY enthusiast, you're in luck. There are so many easy, affordable projects you can tackle yourself to give your home a fresh look without breaking the bank. For example, try adding a fresh coat of paint to brighten up a dull room, or using peel and stick wallpaper for an accent wall that instantly adds character. Another fun DIY project is creating a gallery wall. Gather your favorite photos, prints, and artwork, and arrange them in a way that turns a boring wall into a personal masterpiece. You don't need a designer for these projects, just a little creativity and some elbow grease. And speaking of DIY, one of the most popular ideas for 2024 is repurposing old furniture. Instead of buying new, think about what you can upcycle. That old dresser could be sanded down and painted to become a beautiful statement piece. Or maybe you've got a plain bookshelf that could use some new life with a fresh coat of bold paint or some decorative trim. The possibilities are endless, and it's a great way to add personal flair while being eco-friendly. All right, now that you've got some ideas flowing, let's bring it all together. The key to turning any unused space into a dream home is thinking outside the box and using what you already have to create something functional and beautiful. Take the time to plan, and don't be afraid to experiment with new ideas. You might be surprised at what you can achieve. So, whether you're revamping a single room, transforming an entire floor, or just adding a few small touches, 2024 is your year to take control of your space. Maximize your home's potential by blending function, style, and a little bit of your unique personality. Thank you for joining us today. If you're ready to tackle your home transformation projects, hit that like button and subscribe for more design tips and ideas. And don't forget to let us know in the comments what space in your home you're excited to transform. We can't wait to hear your ideas and cheer you on as you turn your empty spaces into the home of your dreams.